Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. As always, do the needful. Yes, do you understand what I'm asking for? Good. Mehika understood. Akshita too. All right. Children, in the last class, we completed with the description of the family members, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So did we start the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we were doing the pronunciation of this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Till where have we done?
Ma'am, till
Ma'am, first page.
Ma'am, page number 92 is done.
Page number 92 is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out the last dialogue and tell me.
Pars Q New Some Lewe Janvier aujourd'hui. Qu'est-ce la fête nationale de mon pays? Alors, je vais à la fête avec la drapeau de mon pays.
Okay, did you write the pronunciation along with it?
Yes, ma'am.
But beta, it is not correct. What you have written, what you are speaking is not correct.
ma'am, we have not written the Anish part. We have written till Manuel.
Okay, then read out the manual part and show how you can read it.
À la fête avec un drapeau de Troie couleur orange, blonde, à la blanche, vert.
Anyone else? Because this is also not correct. Yes, Vishesh, you try.
À la fête avait un drapeau de trou couleur orange, blanc, vert.
All right. Little close to the correct one. À la fête. First of all, it's not fête, it's fête. Okay? À la fête avec un drapeau. Avec un drapeau de trois. Vishesh, you always make this mistake in speaking number 3. All of you, in fact, not only Vishesh, all of you. Avec un drapeau de trois couleurs. Orange, blanc, vert. We are doing chapter 10 and we are writing the pronunciation. So what does
3 in French
trois?
pronounce it?
Trois. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Okay? Un, deux, trois. What does this line mean? The line that Manuel spoke.
Are you going to a festival with a flag of 3 colors? Orange, white, and green.
Okay. To the festival. Right. To the festival with a flag of 3 colors, and the 3 colors are orange, white, and green. So what does Anish reply? Now Anish replies, Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. Parce que nous sommes. What does that mean?
Because today
Because it is 26th of January and today is the National Day of my country.
Very nice, very nice. So write down just the pronunciation, because now you people have become really good in translating. In the translation, it is no problem, but the pronunciation has become a big problem. Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays.
Ma'am, what is after national?
The mon pays of my country. It is the national festival of my country. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Now, children, one more thing. There are a few adjectives. In adjectives also, we play this, we have to remember this thing that not all adjectives are placed how they are placed in English language. Like in English, I think I have given you this example before, a red pen. So we don't say rouge stylo. What do we say? Un stylo rouge. We first place the noun and then its adjective. Okay? So here also we don't say national festival, we say festival national. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then the next one, Manuel. Manuel says, ah, d'accord. La fête nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. Write it down. Ah, d'accord.
Ma'am, you left some lines in the last sentence.
Oh, yes, I did. The last line is, alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. Alors, what is alors? Alors means so. So, I'm going to the festival with the flag of my country. Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. Can you read out this line, the last line? Yes, Vishesh. Again, Fateh. It's fête, beta, not fete.
Ma'am, may I try?
No, first Utkarsh will speak it correctly. Utkarsh.
Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays.
Avec. It's avec. Avec le drapeau de mon pays. Yes, Vishesh, try.
Par nous sommes la 26 janvier aujourd'hui, c'est la fête nationale dans mon pays, alors je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays.
Beta, have you written the pronunciation?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you write for number 26? Did you write 26?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what you have written. Where is the pronunciation? Did I pronounce 26 while I was reading it? I pronounced it 26. Even you have to write 26. Then again, the pronunciation, like how you are reading, is absolutely not correct.
Ma'am, can you
Pass.
please spell the
Yes.
26 again?
Va. What is number 20? Number 20 is called va. Va. And 6 is called sees. Va sees. Va sees janvier. Va sees janvier aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Done? C'est
Yes,
la
ma'am.
fête nationale de mon pays. Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. So, I'm going to the festival with the flag of my country. Okay? Now, country is what? Masculine or feminine? Tell me.
Ma'am, feminine.
Ma'am, masculine.
I'm masculine.
Masculine.
Aradhya, why did you say feminine?
Ma'am, la is used, la fête. Ma'am, it is used for festival.
Yes, fête. La has been placed just before fête. So la comes for festival.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fête is feminine. I am asking what is country? What is a country's gender? The last line, that is why I am going to the festival with the flag of my country. Now tell me, Aradhya, what gender is country?
Ma'am, it is male.
Yes, how did you come to know that?
Ma'am, someone told.
No, use your own logic. What is the logic? Someone told is fine. But
Ma'am,
how
may
did
I tell?
how that someone told? That someone must have used some logic.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Okay,
may I
May
tell?
I?
okay, Mehika, tell.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, because here mo is written and mo is used
Yes.
for masculine.
What is written, Aradhya, before paying? It's written more.
MON. Ma'am, it is
Yes.
used for
Yes.
masculine.
Ma'am, one more
So
fact.
with one more, what is the another one?
Ma'am, there is no E at the last.
So what does that mean? No, this logic does not apply to every noun, Taranjot. This is not the logic, beta. Now, like I always tell this example, concombre. Cucumber is what? Concombre. It has got E in the end, but still it is masculine. We say en concombre. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have the next dialogue. Manuel says, ah, d'accord. Now what does that mean? Oh, okay. Ah, d'accord is oh, okay. La fête nationale de France. C'est le 14 juillet. La fête nationale de France. C'est le 14 juillet. Notre drapeau aussi a 3 couleurs. Notre drapeau aussi a 3 couleurs. Write down the pronunciation. Yes. Yes, Aradhya?
Ma'am, it is
Just-
saying that our our national flag of France, our national festival of France lies on 14th of July.
Yes.
Our flag also has 3 colors.
Very nice. Very good. Notre drapeau aussi a 3 couleurs. Then, mais, bien sûr, but, for sure. What is mais, bien sûr? But, for sure. Les couleurs sont différentes. Les couleurs sont différentes. Complete the meaning of the sentence.
Ma'am,
Complete
may I?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Mihika. Mihika, try. Okay, anybody else apart from Aradhya and Mihika? Jivyansh, give it a try. Translate this line in English.
Ma'am, the colors are different.
Yes. But for sure, the colors are different. Written the pronunciation.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please repeat the last line.
Okay. Mais,
ma'am, please.
mais bien sûr. Like we say, très bien. You all know bien, bien is good. Okay, but when you say bien sûr, that is for sure or surely or of course, like that. Bien sûr. Mais is but. Mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. The colors are different. Now see, they are talking about les couleurs, plural. So that is why they have placed sont after them. The colors are different. Then Anish says, ah, bien. Quelles sont les couleurs?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Oh, good.
What are the colors?
Yes. Oh, good. Oh, well. Oh, well. What are the colors? Okay. Written?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Elles sont bleu, blanc et rouge. Elles sont bleu, blanc et rouge.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
They. Ma'am, who has to?
Anyone. It's a simple line. Next line, Taranjot, you will do. Mehika?
They are.
Ma'am, they are blue,
Mehika,
white,
speak.
and red.
Yes.
They are blue, white, and red.
Yes.
How
Now
is
listen. Wait. No, don't do that. Now see, children. One thing here. Elles sont. What has this else been used for? ELLES.
they are?
Ma'am, they.
No,
And for
they.
Feminine.
Ma'am, for the colors.
What is feminine? What is feminine? What is feminine here?
Ma'am, all the three colors.
Ma'am,
Color.
the colors.
Ma'am, all the three colors are feminine.
But colors are given in their masculine form. Look at the colors given.
Ma'am, the flag is feminine.
No, the flag is also masculine. Look at the last line on page number 92. Le drapeau. Le drapeau. It's not la drapeau. It's le drapeau. Brain teaser. This is a brain teaser. Now just give it a little thought कि else किसके लिए use हुआ है यहाँ. Do you agree to this that all the colors are given in their masculine form? Why have these colors been given in the masculine form? Because they have been used for a flag's color. Flag is masculine, correct? But they have used ELLES. Why? Because color, the gender of color is feminine. Getting it? A little confusing? See, when we talk about...
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
It's like a
Yes,
puzzle.
It's like what?
Puzzle.
Puzzle, yes. Now
Ma'am, I
see,
understood.
you understood now? The gender of color, like if we say which color, so which ka jo form hai, we will not use QUEL. Like we ask for age, quel âge avez-vous? Look, everybody look into the chat box now. QUEL, quel âge. What does that mean? What age? Correct?
What age?
Now, age is what? Age is masculine gender. That is why we put the spelling QUEL. Now, something that is feminine. Feminine is just, let's say, color only. If I want to ask what color, what am I going to type? Quelle couleur. The spelling of quel becomes this with feminine things. That is why in sentence in Anish's dialogue, look at the sentence that Anish spoke. Oh bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Look at the spelling of quel. Can you see there, children, in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
And because he's talking about many colors, so that is why wahan quel ke spellings ke end mein you have an S. I have written a single color. Which color? That is why it is without S.
Okay, ma'am.
So the colors are, and the colors are in the masculine form because flag is masculine. Then next, Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira?
It was my turn, ma'am.
It was your turn to tell the this thing translation. First,
May I?
you have to write the pronunciation. Comment? First, write the pronunciation, Utkarsh. Comment est le drapeau? Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira? Yes, Taranjot.
Ma'am, como est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira?
Yes.
Ma'am, it means that how is the Pakistani flag, Samira?
Yes. How is the Pakistani flag, Samira? Then Samira replies, Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant de lune blanc. Write down the pronunciation first.
Ma'am, lune is moon.
Lune is moon. Un croissant. What is un croissant?
Crescent.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very nice. A croissant.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of ma'am Lune?
Lune, lune.
Okay, ma'am.
Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant de lune blanc et une étoile blanche.
Ma'am, what is after you?
Une étoile. What is étoile, children?
Star. The poem last
Yes.
year.
Which poem was that? Remember?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. In
Yes.
French. Brille, brille, petite étoile.
Now I'm doing this poem with the beginners of French activity. Okay, written the pronunciation?
Yes, ma'am.
Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant de lune blanc et une étoile blanche. A white star. The Pakistani flag is green with a crescent moon, with a white crescent moon and a white star. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
yes,
I
ma'am.
want one of you to read it out very nicely, like how you have written the pronunciation.
Ma'am, I was absent in the last class, so ma'am, first three sentences I do not know.
The first three sentences,
Yes,
they're very
ma'am.
simple.
Yes,
Manuel,
ma'am.
salut Anish, salut Sava. Oui, très bien. Tu vas où? Write it down. Tu vas où? Je vais à la fête.
Yeah. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, may
All
I
right.
read?
So who? Yes. Anshika, can you please open your camera? What happened? Why is Divyansh laughing so much?
Ma'am, on the pronunciation.
Which pronunciation? Nothing. No one has pronounced anything.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was thinking, ma'am, how it will be. Ma'am,
Then
it is
you
so
will
funny.
Okay. Yes.
Salut, Anish. Salut, Sava. Oi, très bien. Tu vas
Now
où?
listen. Please be careful about the punctuation marks. When it is a question mark, in the end, give it a question sound.
Manuel. Salut, Anish. Anish. Salut, ça va? Manuel. Oui, très bien. Tu vas où? Anish. Je vais à la fête.
Je vais à
Manuel.
la fête. Je vais.
Je vais à la fête. Manuel. À la fête avec un drapeau de trois couleurs orange, blonde, vert. Anish, nous sommes le janvier aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de mon père. Alors,
de mon père. Yes.
Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon père. À d'accord, la fête nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. Notre drapeau aussi a trois couleurs, mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont different. Anish. Ah bien, couleurs sont les couleurs. Manuel. Elles sont bleues, blondes et rouges. Como est le drapeau pakistanais? Samira. Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant de lion blanche et une étoile blanche.
Very nice. The first white is blanc. Blanc. And the second one is blanche. Okay. Very nicely you read. Now it's Utkarsh's turn.
Not mine.
Yes, yours.
Salut, Manuel. Salut, Anish. Anish, salut, Sava. Manuel, oui, très bien. Tu vas où? Tu vas où?
Tu vas où?
Anish, je vais à la fête. Manuel, à la fête avec un drapeau de trois. Yes. Trois couleurs orange, blanc and vert. Anish, parce nous sommes le 26 janvier aujourd'hui à la fête nationale de mon pays. Alors, je vais à la fête avait le drapeau de mon père. Manuel a décore la fête nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. Notre drapeau aussi a trois couleurs, mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Anish,
Différent. What is it? Les couleurs sont différentes. Différentes. Yes.
différentes. Anish, bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Manuel, elles sont blanches et rouges. Comme est le drapeau pakistanais? Samira, le drapeau pakistanais est le drapeau pakistanais avait un croissant de
Croissant.
lion,
Beta, it's croissant.
croissant
The lion blanc.
blonde une
Étoile. Étoile.
blanche.
Blanche. Good. Nice. Anybody else wants to try? So that means no one wants to try. Okay, Jivyansh is raising his hand. Yes.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes, beta.
Manuel, Salut, Anish, Salut, Sava, Manuel, View, Très bien, tu vas où? Anish, je vais à la fête. Manuel, à la fête, avec un drapeau de trois couleurs. Orange, blanche, vert. Anish.
Orange, no. Ek second. Just wait, beta. Orange, blanc. These are the colors. Orange, blanc.
Orange, blanc, vert.
Yes.
Anish, parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. Manuel, à d'accord, la fête nationale de français. C'est le 14 juillet. Notre drapeau aussi a trois couleurs. Mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Anish, eh bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Manuel, elles sont bleues, blanches et rouges. Comment est le drapeau pakistanais? Samira, le drapeau pakistanais est avec un croissant de lion et une étoile blanche.
Good, very nice. Now, anybody else wants to read or shall we move ahead with the exercises? Okay, let's move ahead. The first one, Vishesh, read out the first sentence.
Ma'am, of dit and way and for.
Yes, dit re ufo.
Anish va à la école.
À l'école. Anish va à l'école.
Anish va à l'école.
À l'école. Again.
À l'école.
Yes. Anish va à l'école.
Anish va à l'école.
Yes. So is
Ma'am,
it true or false?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
Faux. Why? Now the reply should be in French. Why?
Anish
Ma'am.
va la fête.
Parce Anish va à la
Anil wala.
Anish wala
Pas
fête.
Anish.
Parce Anish va à la fête. Okay? Second.
Okay, ma'am.
Akshita. Akshita has just left. All right. Shreya. Shreya. Shreya is there.
Ma'am,
Aradhe.
may I?
Aradhe, read out the second sentence.
Yes, ma'am. C'est la fête nationale de France aujourd'hui. Ma'am, this is faux.
C'est la fête nationale de France aujourd'hui. Faux. Then the third one.
Ma'am, reply of this question.
Reply of?
This question, ma'am.
Okay, the question. Okay, now this sentence, the statement's question will be, when is the national festival of France? So how do you say when? What is when in French? When in French is quand. Q-U-A-N-D. Quand est la fête nationale de France? Tell me.
C'est la fête nationale.
No. See, when I'm asking you, when is the national festival of France? How are you going to tell the answer in English?
The national festival
national
of France.
festival.
Your answer will begin from the national festival of France. Now try to translate this.
La fête nationale de France, c'est la 14 juillet.
4 juillet.
I can't understand even a single word. Type it in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, the correct one is La Fête Nationale de France. C'est le 14 juillet. Okay? La Fête Nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. Then the third one. Who is going to read out the third one? Taranjot. Taranjot? Seems like he's not there. Who wants? Utkarsh, you want to read it?
Ma'am, I am there.
Then read it out, beta.
Ma'am, you are taking my name?
Yes, I took your name. You have to read the third sentence, Taranjot. Utkarsh, you read. There is no time left as it is.
La drapeau Pakistani a नहीं